Hello people and welcome to Shifting Gears. In the Indian car market, the compact SUV segment is on absolute fire when it comes to sales performance. Almost every new car buyer now wants an SUV, and car manufacturers have invested heavily to meet this demand. Currently, in the Indian car space, almost 40% of the total sales come from the SUV segment. There are so many options that it can get confusing when you are planning to buy your next vehicle. If you are in such a situation right now, we are here to help. In this video, we are going to talk about the Hyundai Venue and the Tata Nexon. Both of these sub 4 meter compact SUVs have been around for quite some time and are fighting a tough battle in the segment. As of date, Hyundai is at a dominant second place in the Indian car market, followed by Tata Motors, who are at the number 3 spot. Hyundai currently has 533 dealers and more than 1,340 plus service points across the country. Hyundai India is also a core part of HMC's global export hub, exporting to around 88 countries, so be assured that Hyundai is here to stay. Hyundai is one of the few big brands in India giving customers the option of leasing, subscription or buying used. Hyundai currently retails the Venue compact SUV in the Indian market starting from rupees 6.99 lakhs all the way up to 11.85 lakhs ex-showroom Delhi. If you are planning to buy the Tata Nexon, the pricing starts from rupees 7.29 lakhs and touches 13.24 lakhs for the top trims ex-showroom Delhi. So the Hyundai Venue is clearly the more affordable option between these two cars. But buying a car is one thing. Looks are subjective, features are subjective. But what is not subjective is ownership cost. How easy it is to live with a car and maintain it is of utmost importance. And in this video, we tell you why you should pick the Hyundai Venue over the Tata Nexon. By now, we are sure that you are aware about all the features and specifications of both the Hyundai Venue and Tata Nexon, so we won't waste your time with that. But what you should make note of, Hyundai openly reveals what parts need to be changed and at what intervals. Transparency is key, so you can keep a check on the long-term maintenance. For hassle-free ownership, you can also buy Hyundai's Shield of Trust to cover running repairs. Hyundai also offers 360-degree digital and contactless services such as service booking, vehicle status update, pick and drop from home or office, and convenience of online payments for a touch-free service experience. But if all of this doesn't add up for you, then you might have been waiting for numbers, and I will share them with you. If you are going to buy the Hyundai Venue 1-liter turbo petrol variant, then your total cost of service for up to 50,000 kilometers is going to be roughly 14,478 bucks. This averages to rupees 2,896 for each service. For the naturally aspirated Venue petrol, your total service cost for up to 50,000 kilometers would be roughly 13,999, and the average service cost would be close to 2,800 bucks. For the Venue diesel, you would spend a total of 19,995 in 5 years, and on an average rupees 3,933 for a service up to 50,000 kilometers. But then what about the Tata Nexon, which claims to be the safest compact SUV in India? But is it affordable to live with? Here are the numbers. Now for the Nexon, the petrol variants would need around rupees 28,050 rupees for up to 75,000 kilometers, and in 5 years, the average cost of service would be roughly 5,610 bucks. For the diesel variants, the total service cost of up to 75,000 kilometers would be rupees 33,250, averaging to rupees 6,650 per service for 5 years. Hyundai also has more affordably priced spare parts for the Venue when you compare it to the Tata Nexon. Also, do not forget, Hyundai engines are far more refined, and hence, when driving the Venue, you would be a lot more comfortable and stress-free in a noiseless cabin when compared to the Nexon. Personally, I have used a Verna petrol for 7 years and roughly 1.7 lakh kilometers, a Grand i10 diesel for over 70,000 kilometers as well, and both these cars never threw any tantrums, just periodic maintenance, and I was never left stranded. No breakdowns whatsoever. Hyundai's 5 key pillars of service promise you a hassle-free ownership experience. You can be assured about the quality of work performed on your car at the brand's upgraded world-class workshops, performed by trained technicians and making use of genuine parts. The transparency Hyundai has should give you confidence because one can calculate the service costs, watch live servicing streams, And all of this will be backed by the lowest cost of ownership. For complete peace of mind, Hyundai offers you 24/7 roadside assistance, extended and wonder warranty packages, and the shield of trust. No matter what, your car is protected, and also, more importantly, your hard-earned money is secure too. For convenience, the brand has very good nationwide reach when it comes to sales and service, online booking and payment options, pick and drop services, and even express care servicing options for those who are always on their toes. If you buy a Hyundai, the brand becomes your lifetime partner, as you can refer Hyundai cars to your friends and win prizes. Exchange your existing Hyundais for a better value, and not to forget their mobility membership, which also allows you to enjoy a host of services from partner brands. So you tell me, which compact SUV would you pick? My vote definitely goes to Hyundai. My vote goes to the Hyundai Venue. In this case, the Venue is not only cheaper to purchase than the Nexon, but even cheaper to maintain. The product quality is superior too, with a longer list of equipment to keep you entertained throughout your ownership cycle. And when you account for all of this, is there really anything else that you expect from a car? Subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel, press that bell icon, stay notified, always drive safe, and tell us what do you think about the Hyundai Venue compact SUV, because it is a feature-loaded car in this particular segment.